A brand new energy mystery has just been uncovered near the sun. NASA's Parker Solar Probe has detected something astonishing, a new source of powerful, high-speed particles surging through the sun's outer atmosphere. And what's causing it? A wild, explosive phenomenon called magnetic reconnection. Let's break it down. The sun doesn't just shine. It throws off massive amounts of charged particles at insane speeds. These are called solar energetic particles, mostly made up of protons and electrons, and they're what drive things like solar flares and space storms that can even mess with satellites on Earth. But recently, NASA's Parker Solar Probe, launched in 2018 and literally diving into the sun's outer atmosphere, picked up something new. And it's all happening in a region called the heliospheric current sheet, or HCS. What's that? Imagine a giant wavy sheet where the sun's magnetic field flips directions, a cosmic fault line in space. Right there, Parker spotted something wild. Energy particles being supercharged by the violent twisting and snapping of magnetic fields. This is what scientists call magnetic reconnection. Narrator, here's the simple version. Magnetic fields collide. They break. They reconnect. And boom! Huge energy is released, like stretching a rubber band until it snaps. This blast of energy hurls particles to near light speed. And now we know it's not just happening during solar flares. It's happening much closer to the sun and way more often than we thought. According to Dr. Mihir Desai from the Southwest Research Institute in Texas, this is a major breakthrough. He says that this process, magnetic reconnection at the HCS, is a key source of those high-energy particles flying through the solar wind. And guess what? The sun's magnetic fields are way more intense than anything near Earth. That means way more energy is being released, and scientists are only now beginning to grasp just how powerful and frequent these events might be. This discovery could help us better understand solar storms, space weather, and even protect our technology and astronauts during deep space missions. Parker is part of NASA's Living with a Star program, because understanding the sun isn't just about curiosity, it's about survival. The more we know, the better we can predict solar events that impact our satellites, power grids, and future missions to Mars and beyond. So next time you look up at the sun, remember, there's a cosmic battle of magnetic forces happening just out of sight, flinging charged particles through space and into our lives. And we've only just begun to uncover what the sun is truly capable of. Subscribe for more space breakthroughs, science news, and the secrets of our universe. Until next time, stay curious.